Today my topic is imagination. It is from Think and Grow Rich. So imagination, it is more important than knowledge. Though our knowledge is limited, but imagination, it can encircle the world. And our only limitation is in the development and how we can use our imagination. This is the point for today's topic. So in this, author is sharing two kind of imaginations. One, it is synthetic. That comes from arranging some old concepts, some old ideas, and planning or molding it into a new combination. Suppose if someone come up with a new law of motion, so that would be dependent on the previous three laws. So that would be kind of a synthetic imagination that they have picked up the concept from somewhere and gave their imagination or gave their new concept to that. Another is creative imagination. This is creating a direct communication with finite intelligence, and by doing this, all the basic or new ideas are handed over to us. Okay, and everything that is great, it is starting with imagination. It is a key for success, and everything that we have accomplished, it starts with a single idea. uh, I think 2 to 3 decades back, moon was, I think, unconquerable, but it was someone's imagination that made it possible to people to land on moon. Okay. So that was an imagination that uh, came into reality with people implementing their idea. Okay. And for manifesting our imagination, what we can do is we can just close our eyes and see whatever we want. Like when we were kids, so what we used to do, we have a lot of imaginations that we will be becoming this, we'll be doing this, we'll be doing that. So we can imagine a lot of things, and right now also just by closing our eyes. But we are only restricted by the limitations that are holding us. And sometimes it thinks that we are imagining something and we say that no, it is impossible, it is impossible. But thing is impossible until and unless we are not working on it. If we are working on it, it can become possible. And the most precious asset of our imagination is our brain. So we have to nurture it, challenge it, and use its power to make things how truly we wanted it to be. In the end, I would like to end it with a quote. Uh, if you do not see great riches in your imagination, you will never see them in your bank balance. So imagine big and make things happen. Derive and devise a plan for it and make things happen. Thank you so much.